In this video we discuss second practical, use of screw gauge to measure diameter of given wire, measure thickness of given sheet and determine volume of an irregular lamina. In this video we discuss only first part of this practical. The required apparatus are wire, micrometer. Only two required apparatus, micrometer and wire. Right, let's know the construction of micrometer. Right, so here you can see in this micrometer one circular scale. Right, it can rotate on main scale. This calibration. Right, this calibration is lie on main scale. So this is your main scale. So first calibrated number is 5, second is 10, 15. So after 5 division one number is calibrated, 5, 10, 15. So this main scale same as your meter scale. So 5 division represent 0.5. Right, so this calibrated number 5 represent 0.5 centimeter and 10 represent 1 centimeter. Alright, and on your circular scale if you see, the first calibrated number is 0 and last is 90. So in between 0 and 90 another 10 division is there. The total number of division on circular scale is 100. Right, here when you rotate this circular scale, so this rod moves, this rod performs to and fro motion, so it moves forward and backward direction using this circular scale. So this rod is used to hold your object. So keep your object in between rod, in between these two rods, and then take observation. So before taking observation, here we discuss about error. In this picture 0 is not coincided with horizontal line of main scale. 0 lie above the horizontal line. So which division is coincided? 95th division is coincided. The 95th is coincided. Whenever you take observation, so you start from 95 instead of 0. So you measure 5 division more with respect to actual value. So here error is positive and correction is negative. How to find out magnitude of error? So just take number of division with respect to 0. So if you count with respect to 0, so there is 5 division error. Right, so 5 multiply with least count. So first find out least count and least count multiply with 5. So you will get magnitude of the error. So in this case error is positive and correction is negative. This picture 0 is lie below the reference line, below the horizontal line of main scale. So here we start our observation from 5th division instead of 0. So here we measure less division with respect to actual division. Right, so here error is negative and correction is positive. We must find out magnitude of error. So here how many division with respect to 0 of circular scale? 5 division. So here 5 division error and 0 is below the reference line, so error is negative and correction is positive. So in case of error, if 0 is exactly coincide with in the line of horizontal line, so there is no error. If 0 is above the horizontal line, the error is positive, correction is negative. If 0 is below the reference line, the error is negative, correction is positive. Before taking observation, find out least count of instrument. To find out least count, so here we apply one formula. Least count of micrometer equal to pitch upon total number of division on circular scale. So to measure pitch, here we coincide 0 of circular scale with the horizontal line 0. Right, coincided 0 of circular scale with horizontal line. Right, and give one rotation. Right, one rotation and find out total traveling distance on main scale. So you can here you can see one division of main scale. So give one rotation, you will total traveling distance on main scale is one division. Value of one division, you know that your main scale same as your meter scale, the least count of meter scale is 0.1 centimeter. So 0.1 is your pitch. In first part of second practical, here we want to measure the diameter of the, if we want to measure the dimension of given wire, it means diameter of this wire. So keep your object between two rods, right? Just touch with, don't push. So now see on vernier scale, you can't see any division instead of 0. After 0 you can't see any division. So your main scale reading is 0 and circular scale reading. So here find out coinciding division. The coinciding division is, if you see, so 55th division is, 56th division is in the line of horizontal line of main scale. So your circular scale reading is 56, main scale reading is 0. So 56 is a number, no distance. So how to convert into distance? Multiply with least count. So 56 multiply with 0.001 centimeter. So your circular scale reading is 0.056 centimeter. Your main scale reading is 0 and circular scale reading is 0.056 centimeter. Add both, so you will get final scale reading, that is diameter of given wire, so 0.056. How to take another observation? Just change the position of wire in between two rods and again then find out main scale observation. Main scale observation obviously 0 and circular scale observation, it lie in between 40 to 60, but for all observation it must be different. So in same way you can take another observation. So take 4 to 5 observation regarding length of this wire, right? That's fine. So for all 4 to 5 observation, your main scale reading must be 0 and your circular scale reading must be different. And you have 4 to 5 diameter, so take average of those 5 diameter, so you will get diameter of this wire. How to find out radius? So half of the diameter is known as radius. That's all.